Hello students, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kripa classes. Our today's topic is web applications. Today we will do part 1 of this course. In this course we will discuss what is the meaning of computer network. Then we will write a few lines on P2P architecture and client server architecture. Then, what are the four main types of computer networks based on the geographical area covered by the network? Then, we will understand the difference between World Wide Web and Internet. And then, what are the different types of common Internet connectivity? Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.